Hello guys. Many of you have problems solving these inequalities. So simple one like this, y minus 1 into y plus 3 greater than equal to 0. So we are using two methods to solve these. The first one is both the factors have to be positive for the RHS to be positive. So x minus 1 will be greater than equal to 0 and y plus 3 will also be greater than equal to 0. This gives us y as greater than equal to 1 and y as greater than equal to minus 3. So in these two scenarios, because both are applicable, that y has to be greater than equal to 1 and y has to be greater than equal to minus 3, so we'll take the greater than the greatest number. So it will be y is greater than equal to minus 1. The second case will be when both are negative. Negative into negative will give you positive or 0. So y minus 1 is less than equal to 0 and y plus 3 is less than equal to 0. So this gives me y less than equal to 1 and y less than equal to minus 3. In this scenario, it will be lesser than the least. So y will be less than equal to minus 3, which means that y is either greater than equal to 1 as per this and y is less than equal to minus 3 as per this. Now let us do it from another method. This is y minus 1. So one of the values that we take will be 1. This is y plus 3. So another value of y that we will take on the number line will be minus 3. 0 is always taken as from 0 we get some change in the inequality. So we'll take one value of y which will be less than minus 3, one value as minus 3, one value between minus 3 and 0, one value at 0, one value between 0 and 1, then we'll take 1 and then something greater than 1. So these are the values we have taken. Y equal to minus 4, y equal to minus 3, y between 0 and minus 3 we are taking minus 1, we can take any value, then 0, then between 0 and 1 we take y as half, then we take y as 1 and y as more than 1 we take 2. So the value of y minus 1 for y equal to minus 4 is negative, 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 negative. Here it is 0 and here it is positive. And here for y plus 3 it is again y minus 4 is negative, y minus 3 is 0, y minus 1 is plus positive, 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 positive. So if we multiply these two now, so here we get a positive, which is what we require. So this is correct. Here we get a 0, this is correct. These are negative values, so these are not correct. This is again 0, so this is correct. This is positive, so this is also correct. So from this diagram also we can get that y less than equal to minus 3 here, less than equal to minus 3, and y greater than equal to plus 1. So you can use any of these two methods to do these kind of questions.